We have subtraction of decimal numbers. They are written in vertical columns, and we have decimal points in the same column. So next we have to check if we have the same decimal places in both numbers. We have 4 and 5, so we need to add 1 0 to the first decimal number. Next, how we subtract decimal numbers, we use the same rule like for subtraction whole numbers. So we start from the last column and we are going to the left side. And what else? In my opinion, it will be very easy when we first check if we have on the top number greater than on the bottom. 0 and 3. 3 is greater than 0. So we need to do borrowing. We borrow 1 from 2, so it will be 1 now. And at the end we will have 10. So now we have 1 and 4. 1 is less than 4. So we have to borrow 1 from 5. 5 minus 1 will be 4. And we have here now 11 in the second column. 4 minus 9 we cannot do. So we have to borrow 1 from 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. And now we have here 14. 3 minus 8 we cannot do, so we borrow 1 from 8, so it will be 8 minus 1 is 7, and now we have here 13. 7 minus 7, okay, 8 minus 1 is okay. So now we have to subtract. We start from the last column. 10 minus 3 is 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. 14 minus 9 is 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. 7 minus 7 is 0. Copy decimal point. 8 minus 1 is 7. And again, with subtraction, so we will do addition to check if we got correct answer. 7.05577 plus 1.78943. When we are doing addition of decimal numbers, we have to write our numbers in vertical columns, and we have to keep decimal point in the same column. It's very important. And next, we start from the last column. We add decimal numbers like whole numbers. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So we have 0 and 1. We add to next column. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12. So we have 2, and we add 1 to next column. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So we have 5, and we add 1 to next column. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 8 is 14. So we have 4, and we add 1 to next column. So 1 plus 7 is 8. We copy decimal point. 7 plus 1 is 8. We got the same number which we have at the beginning. So our solution is correct.